grassy farm. A little cow dreamed of space and stars. She looked at the moon so big and bright, and thought, I'll jump with all my might. Moo, moo, up I go, floating high where the comets glow. Moo, moo, past the stars, dancing through the sky so far. She leaped so high she spun around, past Jupiter, then back down. She met a Martian, small and green, who said, this is the coolest scene. Where moo, moo, up I go, floating high where the comets glow. Moo, moo, past the stars, dancing through the sky so far. Took a sip, oh what a treat. The spacey milk is oh so sweet. Moo, moo, what a flight, jumping through the starry night. Moo, moo, time to land, back to my cozy grassy land.